Balloon 10.1 The instructional process. Navigating the instructional process in balloon piloting is a unique responsibility, distinct from other aircraft piloting. Unlike their counterparts, commercially rated balloon pilots assume the role of instructors without the necessity of a certified flight instructor (CFI) rating. As we've previously explored, effective flight training is integral to preparing student pilots for a spectrum of scenarios, demanding a thorough and comprehensive approach. An essential facet of successful flight training lies in the proficiency of the instructor. An ill-prepared instructor inevitably yields an ill-prepared student. Conversely, a well-prepared instructor not only cultivates a competent aviator but also serves as a model for effective instruction methods. The symbiotic relationship between instructor and student sets the stage for the student's future actions and habits, making the instructor a pivotal influence. True professionalism in instruction goes beyond qualifications. It entails accountability and a commitment to service for the common good. Professionalism emerges after extensive training, grounded in study, research, and the ability to exercise sound judgment beyond standard practices. A code of ethics is imperative, demanding sincerity and authenticity in performance. A self-assessment capability is also vital for continual improvement. Flight instructors, especially those in the balloon category, must embody these qualities to ensure optimal performance by both instructor and student. Professionalism extends to public image, shaping how the instructor is perceived within the aviation community. Flight instructors shoulder significant responsibilities. They are not only educators but also molders of future pilots. The learning process is enhanced by making lessons enjoyable and interesting, maintaining a high level of student motivation. Knowing clear objectives for each lesson prevents confusion and fosters a positive learning experience. Adequate instruction demands a nuanced understanding of each student's personality, thinking, and ability. Tailoring instruction methods to individual students ensures effectiveness. Continuous evaluation of one's own effectiveness and the standards achieved by students is paramount, with instructors urged to uphold high standards without compromising for the sake of personal relationships. Emphasizing the positive is a key strategy. Instructors wield substantial influence over their students' perception of aviation. The way they conduct themselves, display attitudes, and develop their instruction shapes either positive or negative impressions. Success as a flight instructor hinges on presenting instruction positively, fostering an environment where students develop a favorable image of aviation. Now, let's delve into the outlines of the 4 main responsibilities for flight instructors. First and foremost, helping students learn is highlighted, emphasizing the importance of enjoyable and interesting learning experiences. Providing adequate instruction follows, urging instructors to analyze students individually and adapt methods accordingly. The necessity of maintaining high standards of performance is emphasized, cautioning against accepting substandard learning or flight performance. Lastly, emphasizing the positive is underscored, stressing the influential role instructors play in shaping students' perceptions of aviation. This 4-fold framework encapsulates the core responsibilities of a flight instructor in the balloon category, where personalized and effective instruction is paramount. Flight instructors, in their role as mentors to aspiring pilots, bear significant responsibilities. These responsibilities extend beyond the traditional realms seen in aviation, especially for balloon pilots. Unlike other aircraft pilots, balloon pilots can provide instruction to student pilots without requiring a certified flight instructor (CFI) rating. This unique aspect underscores the crucial role played by balloon flight instructors. Flight training, whether in a balloon, airplane, or helicopter, demands a comprehensive approach to prepare students for safe flight operations across diverse scenarios. The effectiveness of an instructor profoundly influences the preparedness of a student. A well-prepared instructor not only ensures a student's competence but also models effective instructional methods. The aviation community widely uses the term professionalism, yet its precise definition remains elusive. Professionalism encompasses a spectrum of qualifications and considerations necessary for genuine professionalism to emerge. Professional instructors should view their role as a service performed for the common good. Achieving professionalism involves extensive training and ongoing preparation, often rooted in continuous study and research. Good judgment, adherence to a code of ethics, and the ability to self-assess are integral components of professionalism. Flight instructors must possess the capacity to critique their performance objectively. Flight instructors for balloons and gliders, who engage in self-certification regarding their fitness for flight duties, face unique challenges. After significant medical events such as heart attacks or major surgeries, they must judiciously assess their ability to safely pilot balloons. Adherence to regulations, especially 14 CFR Part 61, becomes crucial in such circumstances. Seeking advice from aviation medical examiners, AIM, is advisable. Moving beyond the individual pilot, flight instructors play a pivotal role in shaping the next generation of aviators. Their influence extends not only to imparting technical skills but also to instilling a culture of safety, responsibility, and enthusiasm for aviation. As mentors, flight instructors contribute significantly to the aviation community's growth and sustainability. In balloon flight, where night operations are occasional, pilots face unique challenges related to vision. Understanding the intricacies of human vision, including the roles of cones and rods in different lighting conditions, becomes paramount. Addressing challenges like empty field myopia and adapting to night vision are essential for safe balloon operations. Flight instructors must equip their students with knowledge and strategies to navigate these challenges effectively. The instructional process for balloon pilots involves an additional layer of responsibility due to the absence of a mandatory Certified Flight Instructor (CFI) rating. Balloon flight instructors must adopt a thorough and individualized approach to prepare students for the demands of balloon flight across various scenarios. The evaluation of student pilots is a critical aspect of balloon flight instruction. Instructors must gauge students' understanding of procedures and maneuvers, ensuring a comprehensive mastery of all elements involved. Correction of errors should be constructive, allowing students to learn from their mistakes within safe parameters. Flight instructors for balloons play a vital role in supervising students during solo operations. Endorsing a student for solo flight requires a comprehensive assessment of their ability to perform fundamental maneuvers consistently. Instructors become key decision-makers, determining when students are ready for this significant step in their training. Practical test recommendations carry substantial weight in the certification process. Flight instructors must ensure that their recommendations reflect the student's genuine readiness for the practical test. The conscientious instructor leaves little room for doubt regarding the student's preparation. Self-improvement is a continuous journey for professional flight instructors. Staying alert to opportunities for enhancing qualifications and effectiveness is crucial. Flight instructors serve as authorities on aeronautical matters, providing valuable guidance to other pilots seeking insights into regulations, requirements, and new operating techniques. Sincerity is a foundational quality for flight instructors. Building trust and credibility with students is essential for effective instruction. Flight instructors must be genuine, fostering an environment where students feel confident in their competence. Acceptance of the student as they are, with all their strengths and weaknesses, forms the basis of a positive instructor-student relationship. Flight instructors acknowledge the importance of mutual respect and collaboration toward the shared goal of learning and mastery. Personal appearance and habits contribute to the professional image of flight instructors. Neatness, cleanliness, and appropriate attire are essential elements of a flight instructor's presentation. Professional flight instructors set a standard for aspiring aviators. Demeanor significantly influences the learning experience. Flight instructors with a calm, thoughtful, and disciplined yet enthusiastic attitude create a positive and enjoyable training environment. Enthusiasm is contagious and enhances the overall training experience. Safety practices and accident prevention are paramount in aviation instruction. Flight instructors serve as safety champions, emphasizing and demonstrating the importance of adhering to regulations and recognized safety practices. Consistency in safety habits shapes students' attitudes toward safety. Flight instructors communicate clearly, avoiding profanity and unnecessary jargon. Defining and explaining terms and phrases during instruction ensures students understand concepts effectively. In conclusion, the role of a flight instructor for balloons extends beyond imparting technical skills. It involves shaping the mindset, habits, and safety consciousness of aspiring balloon pilots. The unique challenges of balloon flight, coupled with the absence of a mandatory CFI rating, demand a high level of responsibility and adaptability from balloon flight instructors. They are not just instructors, they are mentors, influencers, and stewards of aviation culture.